Okay, everyone, I really hate it when kids mess with fire alarms in schools. I really hate that. Kids need to stop messing with fire alarms in schools because these things are not toys. These are life safety devices. So do not mess with these things. I really hate it when this stuff happens. Hopefully, this coming school year, no one pulls the fire alarm in my school, and hopefully, no one tampers with any of the fire alarms in the building. But the good thing is that ever since I was in preschool, none of the fire alarms in any of the schools I went to were tampered with, which was a good thing. But the bad thing is there were some students that did pull the alarm just to get out of class, to skip a test, because they thought it was funny to have fun and to scare people, which was a bad thing. It happened over 2 months ago in my high school where a student pulled the fire alarm and got himself or herself into big trouble for doing that. In my elementary school, this happened quite a bit. Students pulled the fire alarm because they thought it was a good idea to, but it is not. That is why all pull stations need stoppers, because it reduces the amount of false fire alarms pulled every year in this country, especially in schools, because stopper covers have a built-in alarm that sounds when you lift them, and that alarm grabs attention that someone is about to pull the fire alarm as a prank, and they will either run away or put it back because the person is looking at it. The only downside of that I found is when someone lifts the stopper in a real fire, they will think that the stopper is the fire alarm because it's loud and it makes noise. Folks, that's not the case. If there is a real fire, make sure you lift the stopper and you pull the fire alarm. Only lifting the stopper cover does not cause the fire alarm system to activate. That alarm on the stopper cover is there to prevent people from tampering with it. Bye.